How to fix Splitwise app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Splitwise app if it's not working. So there may be various reasons as to why your app may not be working. So the first and foremost reason is your internet connection. Now, since Splitwise is an app that requires a stable internet connection to work, if you don't have a stable internet connection, sometimes the app will not function properly. So make sure you have a stable internet connection, and maybe you can try switching from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi and from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data. After that, what you can do is simply go to your app store and then search for Splitwise. Now, make sure your Splitwise app is updated to the latest version, as sometimes if it is not updated to the latest version, some features may get restricted, which may be causing your app to not function properly. Now, once you have your app updated to the latest version, if your problem is still there, simply go to your settings. After that, go to General, iPhone Storage, and then search for Splitwise. After that, simply offload the Splitwise app and then reinstall the app. Now, once you've done that, in most of the cases, your problem will be solved. But if your problem is still there, what you can do as a final resort is simply delete the app altogether and then go to your app store and then download the Splitwise app once again. So those are basically the ways on how you can fix your Splitwise app if it's not working. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.